How to find user ID in Phemex. Hi everyone, welcome back to another video from Finance and Crypto Guide. If you're trying to find your user ID in Phemex, then it's actually easy once you know where to look. So in order to do that, first of all, launch open the Phemex app on your device and make sure you're logged into your account. After you're signed in, go ahead and click on your profile icon at the top left corner from the home screen. You'll then open this expanded menu where you need to go ahead and look for this UID at the top. After you tap on that, you'll be able to open up this personal information. Here, go to this first option where you see UID. Just tap on it to copy the user ID on your device's clipboard. You can use this user ID for support, transfers, or verification. Your user ID is a unique number assigned to your account. And that's it. Finding your user ID in Phemex is quick once you know where the profile section is. Now you can use the user ID for support, transactions, or account-related help anytime. If you found the video helpful, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to our channel. I will see you again in the next video. Thank you for watching.